I was sent this replacement charge air hose. This goes on a Ford. Typically from your turbo down low here is where it's going to connect all the way up to your intake on here into your throttle body. This is the complete hose, everything you need. It's got the little bit of heat resistance piece here on top of the rubber hose. This is like a nylon portion here. You've got a large hose clamp. It's already pre-installed in the right spot, ready to go to tighten that down on the intercooler. On the other end, you've got that built-in snap lock piece here with another hose clamp that's connecting it to the rubber hose itself. And you've got your plug connector here for the sensor that goes on the inside. So all this is included. And this has got that metal clip that just does that really quick and easy snap in place. When you connect that onto the intake and just kind of click it in place, that'll just lock in, hold that where it needs to go. It's got another screw portion here so you can screw down this wiring that comes into this port here. There's a little bit of a holder there too. And that's it. This is everything you're going to need. It's really well made, good quality stuff. They've been very thoughtful to give you all the connection points and everything you're going to need in order to do this install. If this hose was damaged on your vehicle and you need to replace it, then you're getting everything you need to do that job from the intercooler all the way up to the intake. Everything's included. Hope that helps. Have a great day.